Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prioritizing safety. Schedule an eye exam and get a prescription even for cosmetic lenses. Once done, choose light-toned approved contacts. Daily disposables reduce infection risk. Make sure to wash and dry your hands thoroughly, set up a clean surface, and open the lens packaging carefully. You want to minimize irritation and ensure fit. These initial steps let you alter appearance immediately while protecting vision. So now you apply the lenses. Hold your lid open, place the lens on your index finger, and gently set it on the center of your eye. Blink slowly to settle it. Once lenses are comfortable, use warm, neutral eyeshadows and a small highlight at the inner corner to increase perceived lightness. For photos or appearance, position soft, warm front lighting. It reflects off the iris and lifts color. Make sure to remove lenses if irritation starts and follow wear time limits. To finish, remove lenses according to the product instructions and either clean and store them or dispose of daily pairs. If you experience redness, persistent discomfort, tearing, or vision changes, remove the lenses immediately and see your eye care provider. Don't try home remedies. If the effect isn't strong enough, consider a different shade or consult your optometrist about options. If you only need photos, use safe digital filters instead. One key troubleshooting tip: stop use and seek care if you have pain or vision loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.